Hey, we're at Professor Zander, and today we're going to unbox Treasure X Aliens. And I think it's a giant spider alien. So let's get to unboxing. Okay, I think we're going to need that later. And let's take everything out. Giant spider. Let's get the X tool. And look, the giant spider is movable. I'll get my assistant to get me towels. Let's place under this our creature. Okay, let's go to dissection. Put it in here. This is actually harder than my last video. Okay, I think I got it. Okay, I think I got it, guys. Got it, everyone? Okay, I think we're almost there. This is thicker. Way thicker. Okay, let me see if I can peel it by myself now. Let's get this out. Let's get this classic rib cage out. Okay, let's get this rib cage out. Sorry. Step 2. I don't need help. Okay, that's my assistant. Whoa, that was fast. I won't want to. Okay, take this here. I think I should do this on the glass. It's much better. Squeeze the intestines out. Know how to squeeze them. Okay? Squeeze. It's a critter. Okay, let me pour everything out. How are these so hard? That was harder than I expected, but I think I found a weapon. Another critter. Woo! Put all of this slime together when we get some of the critters out. Let me mix this up so it's not that bad. You still have a lot of more intestine to go out, actually. A lot of intestine to get out. A lot of intestines. I think we should put the first bit in the bag, like it says to put in the bag. In the bag. Okay, let's open the bag. There you go. Put this in the bag. And let's take this out. It's really okay. It's a weapon. Finally, we got a weapon inside. How many critters? We got 3 critters. Finally, 3 critters. Get off me. Okay, my assistant is taking them away so we could set it aside. Putting stuff in the bag. Okay, this might be a little hard to take out. Boom, we got it. It's part of a weapon. You might put these in here. We have some. Let's put it here. Put it in the bag. And finally, the last piece of intestine. Okay? Let's put this. Let's get the goo off. This goo off. Then here. This is it. Put that in the freezer. Here, get this. Goo. Get the 2 drops. Put it in. And now we can move on. The refrigerator. Okay, let's move on to the gut sack. But we just need to get open here. Get this open. If I can find my incision tool. No, it is. Where did I cut my guts? Okay, I cut the hooded assistant. Well, give me the tool. And now let's free my hunter. Open this gut sack. Oh yeah, now I know I should have got my gloves on.
Hey!
But what is it? If it's...
These are Orbeez. Can I have one?
Get one, don't say Orbeez. They're the guts, not Orbeez. We finally found our hunter. His head came off. Okay, assistant, can you get me some towels?
I gave you some, but you're not using them.
Yeah, I'm using them. Okay, my assistant is going to get some towels. I can at least free the hunter body, but this is going crazy. There's so much gut in here. And you free the hunter. Put it here. My X tool is safe under the towel. Oh my god. This is a lot of gut. I know I need my X tool. Okay.
I have a surprise for you. You see what these things can do?
And now let's open the gut sack. Opening it. Opening. Okay. Okay, we're done with the gut sack. We got everything. Now, the X tool, this is for cracking the brain, cracking the skull. Wait, I got it. I got one. Go. I think we should crack it with our hands. Our hands are stronger. I found the brain. Take the brain out and open it up. Let's see if we found a real gem. We found a real gem! Woo! Inside. Then, look, it's a real gem.
Wow!
You found a real gem. My bad. Okay, and now take this out like it says. Where's this? Where's the wheel? Hunter's wheel. We need the wheel. So take the screw out. Okay, this is going rapidly. Okay, the hunter's head on and put the wheel on. Okay, the wheel is hard to get in there. How are you going to put on the wheel? Oh, okay, let's actually switch to battle mode. First, switch to battle mode. Hey, how do you put it in? How do you switch to battle mode? Okay. We need a little bit more cracking. Where is it? Where's the driver's seat? Okay, that is the driver. Let's put it inside. I think I could take my gloves off. Put this inside. Okay, I really might need help putting this inside. Well, so close. Well, I found a real gem for my first time. Last time, I found the power thing. And then, this is my real gem. Here. So, I think we need to build the weapon. Let's put this in. How do you do it? So I need the weapon. I might have the weapon here. The weapon. Where shall we put it? Okay. Here's the gun. Let me get this out. Okay, where do we put this part in? So it's like that, and the skull is, you put the skull, it's like a hole here. Maybe we don't need, oh, I think it's for the driver's seat. Yeah, it's for the driver's seat. That's what went in the whole time. Say it's to make the drivers see. See? How do you switch this to battle mode? Wait, you do this like that. And then put that on. It's done. Then we need to put this in. Then let's make the hunter sit down. That will be hard. The hunter goes in here. And he's controlling vehicle, brain, squishy, the ribs. Great. And I think we're done. Bye.